Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to show you, sometimes we have been confused by while watching on the desktop, the video which we play on the YouTube doesn't have a sound. So I'm just checking out with the cursor here on my computer. Okay, see, this is the cursor. You have to unmute it or mute it. See, the music doesn't go. So even if you check on the speaker option, it's already 100%. See, it is already 100%. But the thing was, on the screen, see, you have unmuted. So you unmute this option and the music comes, so you can listen to it. You see, this is how you can clarify the thoughts whenever you are watching YouTube on desktop. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.